In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture a digital signature in Google Sheets. The ability to insert electronic signatures can be a game changer for managing your documents digitally, allowing you to streamline your workflow significantly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet. If you don't have one already handy, create a new sheet through your Google Drive. Once you have the sheet open, look for the cell where you want to insert your digital signature. Simply click on that cell to select it. This step is crucial because the signature will be placed over the cell you choose, so think carefully about the positioning within your sheet. Next, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the Insert option. This menu offers various choices for data insertion, but our focus will be on adding an image. So, hover over or click Image, and from the drop-down, select the Image over Cells option. This choice is specific because it allows the image, your digital signature, to reside above the cells, rather than being confined within a single cell. Now, you'll be presented with a new window. Here, search for the Browse button and click it. This action will open up your computer's File Explorer, making it easier to locate the digital signature file stored on your device. It's important that your signature is saved in a compatible file format, like PNG or JPEG, to ensure it uploads smoothly. When your File Explorer opens, find your digital signature file and select it. Ensure you're choosing the right file because this is what will display on your Google Sheet. Double-check that your signature is clear and the exact one you want to use. Once you're sure, hit Open. After this, Google Sheets will automatically upload your chosen image and insert it over the cell you selected earlier. Make sure to adjust the size and position of your signature image to your satisfaction. Clicking and dragging the corners or edges can help to scale it accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully captured and inserted a digital signature into your Google Sheet. Incorporating a digital signature like this helps maintain the integrity of your digital documents, adding a layer of authenticity and professionalism. If at any moment you need to replace or move the signature, just click on the image to adjust its properties or remove it as needed. And that's it. You've learned how to insert an electronic signature into Google Sheets step by step. Hopefully, this has been a helpful guide for your digital document needs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other videos for more tips. Happy spreadsheet editing!